So the problem we are facing over here as residents, including the students that use the school gate, and also the senior citizens in our particular area.
We cannot walk on our streets. We're suffering with, carrying our bags and walkings in cars parked and then the traffic going by.
Traffic rules, traffic jam, and then parking issues, right? And you'll be fine. Continuously, the honking is going on here.
The cab is moved right in front, in the middle, and there is a traffic jam behind it.
Bollywood actor Pooja Bhatt has shared the article on her social media. She has added her comments.
Hi viewers, I'm reporting from Bandra today where the charm of trendy cafes are causing trouble for the local residents here. These narrow lanes are actually causing problems of traffic congestion, safety issues for the people here. So let's speak to them, ask them that what impact are they facing from these issues.
So the problem we are facing over here as residents, including the students that use the school gate, and also the senior citizens in our particular area, facing a problem, especially with the cafes that are come around, which there are cafes up ahead and there are cafes at the back as well over there.
Okay.
We use this particular stretch. That you can see the stretch over here. The narrowest part of the stretch is over there, and this is the narrowest part of the stretch over here. They use their cars for parking over here. The valet parking comes and puts their cars over here. That's causing a problem because, of course, it's not very easy for us to walk. To shoot this video itself, we had to move a couple of times.
Yeah.
And as you saw, when a car parked just stopped over here, there was like a whole lot of traffic that was put right at the back over there. So this is the kind of problem that we're facing right now over here.
The problem that we all are facing over here is cars that halt for people to get in and out visiting the cafes. Getting out of their cars is not a problem, but when they're getting in, when they're going, all the hugs and kisses, the goodbyes happen, just when they have to enter their cars. It is not possible on weekdays from Monday to Friday for that kind of crowd to halt our road. Chapel Road is a lifeline between Hill Road and Reclamation. It is a narrow street, but it is the lifeline. If Chapel Road is closed, it causes a lot of inconvenience for everybody. Currently, because the road is being done up, it's really calm, but it is becoming a problem when the road is on for everyone to use. We cannot walk on our streets. We're suffering with, carrying our bags and walkings in cars parked and then the traffic going by. It's a lot. It's difficult.
As you can see behind, we have the Throughfit, which is a cafe which is run from morning to evening, and there's valet parking as well, which is not acceptable by residents over here. And the thing is, the owner himself has gone ahead. He's threatened people in the vicinity as well. People staying in Bandra, in the area, he gone and threatened them saying that you can't do anything because I've got contacts here and there.
So in this case, management is not taking any issues on the parking part, whereas the traffic is getting jammed due to this cafe which has been running here in Chapel Road and Veronica Road. And if you see, they come to fight. Sometimes they enter in no entry. People coming from all over the world. I don't know from which part from Mumbai.
Yes.
Somebody is coming from out of Mumbai. You may be seen just now. Picture one car is coming from Haryana. So they are coming for cafe only generally, and they don't know the entry and no entry. So we are locals, so we know we stop them. So when we stop them, they come to concern us. They come to fight with us.
It's that basically the parking, like people come into the by lanes, these are by lanes, these are not main roads. So a humble request to the owners and the visitors, keep in mind that these are by lanes, they're smaller. So if you bring your big cars and come over here, it's going to bound to make some traffic jam behind. So it's a humble request, park your cars a little, walk a little to the cafe, and obviously we're not asking you, don't come and enjoy this, enjoy it. It's made to enjoy. Obviously, we understand the ambience. You'll need a breakout. Yes, we are happy that you love our area. It's giving our area a boost, no doubt. But at the same time, if you bring your big cars over here, the people residing over here are going to have a problem. Like obviously, just you want to enjoy. Don't cause inconvenience. Be attentive to other people. Be understanding towards other people. You also enjoy, and let us also enjoy and have a good.
So basically, there are a lot of new restaurants opened, and they're really cute, and the citizens in the area don't really mind it. But the problem is the parking and the nuisance generated from the vehicles that come to the restaurants. So what is happening is that I think the BMC should make the restaurants more responsible. Their licenses need to be a little different, where they are forced to have a certain number of parking attendants depending on the capacity of the restaurant. One side parking is parked on both sides. So they need to be sensitized to this, and even the restaurants should be taking a little more responsibility in doing something which is civic oriented. It just cannot let the citizens all the time suffer. We welcome them, but they need to be more responsible.
So after Free Press Journal reported the article, a lot of people have started talking about this issue. It is all over the place on social media, on Twitter, on Instagram. Bollywood actor Pooja Bhatt has shared the article on her social media. She has added her comments. Italian DJ and influencer Ollie SC, who is in Mumbai these days. So even she has spoken about this issue. So somewhere I feel that these celebs, and particularly like people like Ollie, who are not even Indian, who are not even from Mumbai, they care about Mumbai more than BMC does.
So viewers, as we heard the problems of the residents of Bandra, we can realize that yes, these cafes are actually causing a lot of trouble, like traffic congestion or safety issues, right? But what is important is that there has to be a thoughtful planning and a collaborative effort so as to strike a balance between the community needs and as well as the customer satisfaction. So do let us know in your comment section, what do you feel about this? Till then, I, Anisha, signing off.